Eat tamale with me. I'm good. Do you guys sell tamale here? No, do you know where they sell tamale? No? Okay. It's okay. Really, I got tamales. So let's try tamales. Smells nice. Okay, I'm home, so mas maganda siya i-try dito. So I think this one is pork. Kasi spicy siya, tapos dito naman yung chicken. And hindi siya spicy. Try ko muna ito. So now, ito-try natin yung chicken. Chicken? Medyo amoy panis lang siya, pero it's okay. Ang ganda yung kulay. So ito yung kulay ng chicken. Hindi, chicken yung kinain ko kanina, tapos ito naman yung pork with extra spicy. That's the pork. Look at the difference. Yellow na yellow siya. This one is like pale yellow. So you really can see the difference. At the same time, sabi kasi ng vendor sa akin, yan, maanghang daw. Pero hindi ko naman siya narasa na maanghang or anything like that.